Hey you guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna show you what's going on here before I go for my trip. I am not gonna vlog on my trip because it is a trip for some army training, so I don't want to give away anything, you know, OPSEC related. So by the time you see this video, I would have come back. The reason why I want to show you what's going on is because before I come back, there should be already some progress up in here, so let me show you what I got going on. So this pile of dirt is still here. It's gonna be used to level up the yard in the back. So my boyfriend and I have attempted to put the fence up, and that's what you're gonna see. We tried our best, okay? This ground, this dirt is not, it's just the clayest, that's not a word. It's very hard to dig in. We did have an auger, but our holes were definitely not 2 feet deep, so the fence would have been very unsteady, so that's why we decided to hire somebody. So I have more cement over here. I used another pallet for up front for the pavers, and I already have a video about that. And then I also have the panels here. I bought panels because they were way cheaper, and I'm sorry, that is my AC that is being really loud. I forgot to turn it off. I still have a few bags of cement over here, and always cover your cement, okay? Because it rained on some of the bags and they were hard, and I wasn't able to use them again. And I do have a collection of chairs that are gonna be used at later projects, but right now they're just staying there. And let me show you something that's super cute. You had me at a He's very confused why I'm here without him, but I'm trying to walk away from, from this AC because it is so loud. Again, there's nothing wrong with it. It still works, and I'm not gonna fix it until it breaks because I really don't care. I don't hear the sound unless I'm outside, and if I'm outside, I have a party going on or something. Not now, obviously, because my yard is still a mess, but once that will happen, I will just fix it then, or just turn it off while we're outside. So I do have some pallets here. I am gonna build like a patio type for the shed, and obviously paint the shed, do the patio on there, and I put some pavers that I had extra to just make to the shed without getting sand and dirt on my feet. But this is it. This is the fence. We only have one panel up, and then we have a lot of posts up, but let me show you. We use the line and everything, but this one's not doing it very hard, but it moves. It moves. There's one someplace here that moves so bad it's not even funny. So they're gonna have to come take all of these off. Let me see. This one. See, it's already cracked. No, not this one. This one? Nope. This one. Look. Can you see? To be fair, when we did put these 2 posts, they were the first 2 posts that we did. So that's why the holes are super extra shallow, but we did have a storm and the panel is still up. I decided to put it this way because I didn't want people to jump the fence, but the guy that's gonna put the fence up said that he could jump the fence even if these boards are not on the other side. So I was like, that makes a lot of sense. This is mostly to keep my dog in and just have some privacy, so I will use the pretty side on my side of the yard. Now for the tenant, we are gonna frame it in there so they would only have a small part of the yard and then I'll have the big chunk. And I don't know if you remember from my previous video on the yard, but it was a big dip down there, so I carried a truckload full from there with the wheelbarrow, and I just, you know, put it in there. So now we still have to make it level down here and in the back. Again, the reason why I'm showing you this is because when I come back, at least the posts will be out and then the holes will be made. So hopefully, maybe if the weather is good, I would have some panels up too, but I cannot wait to have this yard fence for healthy, and it's just gonna be so much better. Then I can put my pool up and do all of that other stuff, so I'm extra excited. Now I have to go finish packing, and it's already 11:44. It's a 10-hour drive, so 10 hour and 15 minutes. I'm gonna get there at midnight because I'm not even finished packing and I still have to do some more things before I go. So that was the update. I will catch up with you guys later. Take care. Mwah. I don't want to whatchamacallit. So I will use the fun